Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can find a phone number by your Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to put likes. Be sure to write comments at the end of the video. So, let's get into today's topic. So, first of all, open the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. Here, at the top, click on the three bars, then Settings and Privacy. Now you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, scroll a little bit, and you'll see a section like Personal Information. You click on that. Then the very first thing is Contact Information. You select that. And that takes you to a page where you can find all of your contact information. It could be email, Gmail, which is tied to this Instagram account, and also a phone number. I have one. You might have more. Let's say if you click on your phone number, you'll see absolutely all of the Facebook accounts and also Instagram accounts that are currently tied to that phone number. And what can you do with that number? First of all, you can delete it if you wish. You can also add some other account to that number. Also down here, when you go to Contact Information, you can add a new contact and add a new cell phone number. You'll need to write it down here and then just add it. And then you'll have another phone number added if you need it. So that's the simple way, friends, you can easily find your phone number on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, don't forget to write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.